As well as the best free font manager, I also have some other neat graphic design resources for you in today's video, so stay tuned. What is up people, welcome back to Satori Graphics, the home of graphic design content right here on YouTube. So today I have the best free font manager, and that is Fontbase. And just a quick side note, today I'm not sponsored by anything in the video, it's all things that I use and I'm sharing with you guys. So Fontbase is awesome because it's free, but also it's available on Mac and Windows and even Linux. Once you've downloaded and installed the software, you're going to be met with a very clean and a very user-friendly interface. Many of the free font managers out there look quite bad and they're quite annoying to use and to navigate around, but Fontbase is really user-friendly, I find. You can quickly adjust the size of your preview text using the slider at the very top, and this will show you your font previews. Furthermore, at the bottom of the program, you can click and edit the phrase that you want to see every single font previewed in, which is a really nice feature indeed. Another clean and nifty feature that Fontbase offers is that you can click the heart icon next to a font, and this is going to add that font to your favorites list. And you can locate all of your favorite fonts here on the left hand side. You can click this icon here to add a font or a font family to the active list, which enables you to keep track and to move multiple fonts around with ease. Now if you want to create a new group, it's very simple. You just click here, start typing, and then hit enter on your keyboard. You've then created a new font group to which you can drag and drop fonts inside really easily. You gotta love the drag and the drop accessibility. And then finally, with this free software, I want to show you the settings menu real quick. If you click here, you can access the settings menu. And also right here you can see the root location that Fontbase uploads fonts from your computer. And this is actually done automatically when you install the software. You can of course change this at any time, but if you want to give this software a download, the link is in the description box below, as are the other cool resources coming up next. The Hungry JPEG is an awesome resource website, and you won't find free things on here, but what you can grab are some insane bargains and deals. So for example, if you check out this font collection right here, you can see that you're going to receive 12 different fonts and their licenses for just $15. That's nearly $1 per font. There are not only fonts on this website, but also templates, vectors and much more. But you can also check out the sales section, where you can find many items as low as $1. But I personally think the bundles are the best resources to be downloading, because you really do get a lot for your money, and it's all really high quality too. So check out the Hungry JPEG in the description box below, and I've got one more website to show you in today's video. So on this website here, you're going to find different Adobe Illustrator plugins that you can download. Plugins are just add-ons to Illustrator that allow us more room for creativity and design. This site explains exactly what a plugin is, how to download and install them, and also then lower down on the page it's got different groups of plugins to download. Some are free and some are not, but you can click the tab below each different group to see more plugins in that specific niche. So yeah, have a look over this website and see if any of the plugins resonate with you and your graphic design workflow in Illustrator. Remember, all links are down in the description box below. If you want to keep raising your awareness as a graphic designer and also learn about free and useful resources like in today's video, subscribe for weekly graphic design content right here at Satori Graphics. Also, like and share my content on social media if you want to help out my channel. And of course, have a great day everybody, and until next time, design your future today. Peace.